I'd give anything to make you happy.
Sail and everything.
I'd give it all for things to stay the way they are. I just want to hold you fast in my arms. But I can't change the way that you make me feel, and I really wanna make it real. Something's pulling me away into the night, on through the day. Jesus of Nazareth walked among his fellow men. He walked his own path, while those closest couldn't understand. He could have been anything, but he chose to be the Son of Man. So let me hold his hand, and we'll understand the compassion written into his soul. And let me hold your hand, and we'll understand the compassion written into our souls. Our souls, our souls, just show us not to let go. Standing at the crossroads, and the future is an open palm. She whispers, take my hand now, and we'll dance until we no longer stand. No more to the people of power, no more meeting every demand. Show love for the creatures of this earth who live just as they are, and stand up for the people who love so well, and the power of an open heart. And let me hold his hand, and we'll understand compassion written into our souls. And let me hold his hand, and we'll understand the compassion written into our souls, our souls, our souls.